Huawei Honor holds new product press conference to release Honor 9 Lite version. It's time to unbox this amazing quad-camera loaded device, and take a first look. Let's quickly unbox it. Let's remove this seal. Generally guys, this is another budget device by Huawei, with AI capabilities. When you open the box, first you will get the device itself. Then a Huawei quick charger and a USB cable. Not a Type-C cable. Let's move to device itself. Honor 9 Lite is the second bezel-less screen 4-camera smartphone by Honor. It uses 5.65-inch 2160x1080 resolution, but it can be held like a 5.2-inch smartphone. It adopts Mirror 2.0 design, aiming at high beauty, offering gray, blue, black, and white 4 colors. In specs, Honor 9 Lite is powered by Kirin 659 processor. It has 2 RAM variants, 3GB or 4GB, and ROM 32GB or 64GB. It supports micro SD card for expansion. The phone has a back-placed fingerprint sensor and a dedicated headphone jack. The phone is built in 3000 mAh of unsatisfying battery. It is pre-installed with EMUI 8.0 operating system based on Android 8.0 Oreo, which claims its responsive speed will improve 60%, and operation fluency will improve 50%, supporting eye protection mode, hiss and immersion sound effect, Vulkan interface dynamic wallpaper. As for camera, it comes with 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel front dual camera, and 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual back camera, supporting 3D beautification, 16-level selfie taking. Don't worry, we will leave camera samples at the last of the video. That's all guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.